Guys, welcome back with yet another video on Tricky Hottie Agri. Today we are going to discuss some important minor root vegetables. This is important, guys, so you need to watch the whole video. Let's begin. The first minor root vegetable is chervil. Botanical name of this crop is Anthiscus cerefolium. Belongs to the family Apiaceae and chromosome number is diploid 2 and equal to 18. Chervil is originated from the Europe. This one is a picture of chervil. Sometimes it is called French parsley or garden chervil. It's a delicate annual herb related to the parsley. Other common name of chervils are chervil, French parsley and garden chervil. Next we talk about its uses and impacts. Chervil is used particularly in France to season poultry, seafood, young spring vegetables such as carrots, soups and sauces. More delicate than parsley, it has a faint taste of licorice or aniseed. Chervil is one of the 4 traditional French fines herbs along with the tarragon, chive and parsley, which are essential to French cooking. Unlike the more pungent robust herbs such as thyme and rosemary, which can take prolonged cooking, the fine herbs are added at the last minute to salad, omelets and soups. Other than it has some medicinal properties, it is useful as a digestive aid for lowering high blood pressure and infused with vinegar for curing hiccups. The second minor root vegetable is parsnip. Botanical name of parsnip is Pastinaca sativum. Parsnip belongs to the family Apiaceae. Chromosome number is diploid 2 and equal to 22 and parsnip is originated from the Eurasia. This is the picture of parsnip. It is a root vegetable closely related to carrot and parsley. It is a biennial plant usually grown as annual. The shoots and leaves of parsnip must be handled with care as its sap contains the furanocoumarine and phototoxic chemicals that cause the blisters on the skin when it is exposed to sunlight. This condition is known as the phytophotodermatitis. The third minor root vegetable is salsify. Botanical name of salsify is the Tragopon porifolius, family Asteraceae, and chromosome number is 2 and equal to 12, diploid and originated from Southeast Europe. This is a picture of salsify. Other than salsify, many common name of salsify is purple or common salsify, oyster plant, vegetable oyster, Jerusalem star and jack go to bed. It contains the polyphenol phytochemicals. It is a plant cultivated for its ornamental flower and edible root. It is a wild species of genus of Tragopogon. Next we talk about why salsify called the oyster plant. Salsify is a root vegetable also known as the oyster plant because of its oystery taste when cooked. The root is similar in appearance to a long, thin parsnip with creamy white flesh and thick skin. The fourth minor root crop is celeriac. Botanical name of celeriac is Apium graveolens. Family of celeriac is Apiaceae and chromosome number is diploid 2 and equal to 22, originated from the Mediterranean region. This one is a picture of celeriac. Other common name of celeriac is celery root, cucumber plant, knob celery and turnip rooted celery, but it is not a close relative of the turnip. It is a worldwide cultivated vegetable and aromatic plant with important pharmaceutical properties. It is a variety of celery cultivated for its edible stem or hypocotyl and shoots. Celeriac is like a root vegetable except it has a bulbous hypocotyl with many small roots attached. Next we talk about the skirret. Botanical name of skirret is Siam cicerum. Belongs to the family Apiaceae. Originated from China. And common name of skirret is krumock and sugarroot. This one is the skirret. It is a perennial plant grown as the root vegetable. The English name skirret is derived from the Middle English skirrowit and the skirwort, meaning white root. See the picture? These are white roots. It is a cluster of bright white, sweetish and aromatic roots. Next crop is rutabaga. Botanical name of rutabaga is Brassica nepobrassica. This one is a cross between the cabbage and turnip. This one is a picture of rutabaga. It is a root vegetable that originated as a cross between the cabbage and the turnip. The roots are eaten in a variety of ways and the leaves can be eaten as a leafy vegetable. The roots and tops are also used for livestock, either fed directly in the winter or forage in the field during the other season. Next crop is horseradish. Botanical name of horseradish is Armoraceae rusticana. Belongs to the family Brassicaceae. Chromosome number is tetraploid. 2n equal to 4x equal to 32. Originated from Europe and Western Asia. This one is a picture of horseradish. It is a perennial plant. It is a root vegetable cultivated and used worldwide as a spice and as a condiment. It is versatile and can be used for meat and vegetable dishes. It improves the respiratory health also in human. It contains the glucosinolates and isothiocyanate which may protect against cancer, fight bacterial and fungal infection and improve the breathing issues. So this was all about today's video. I hope you will go through all the mentioned points that are really very important from the examination point of view. We'll be meeting soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.